Chapter 9. An Astronomer's View of the Universe. Q1. Why is it improbable that one particular star will ever come close to another? Answer. It is improbable for one star to come close to another because the universe is very spacious, and the stars are voyaging very far away from each other. Q2. What is Jean's explanation of how the planets came to be formed from the sun? Answer. According to Jean's, 2,000 million years ago, one star by chance came close to another star, Sun. It raised huge tides on the other's surface. When it started moving away, these huge tides of burning matter got torn away in pieces and fell into space. These burning masses got cooler and became planets, and our Earth is one of them. Q3. How does a planet, such as the Earth, derive its warmth? Answer. The planet, Earth, derives its warmth from the radiation that the sort pours down on it. Q4. What does Jeans imagine the first forms of life on Earth to have been like? Answer. Jeans imagines that the first form of life on Earth was very small, living beings, like germs, which reproduce themselves and soon die. Then, after passing through different stages, it appeared in the form of human beings who have emotions, ambition, and religion, and so on. Q5. Why is our first impressions of an astronomer's picture of the universe likely to make us feel that humanity is insignificant? Answer. When we observe fearful and meaningless distances between heavenly bodies, vast duration of time which is much longer than the history of life on the Earth, we consider that humanity is insignificant. Q6. How does Jeans justify his assertion that the universe appears to be actively hostile to life like our own? Answer. The universe appears to be actively hostile to life because our world is extremely small, like a grain of sand in comparison with the universe, like the sea sand and its indifference to our world and life. Q7. Why does a planetary system seem to be the only kind of environment on which life could originate? Answer. The reason is that a planetary system has suitable physical conditions like proper temperature, air, and food, which are needed for life. Q8. What is the temperature of most of space? Answer. The temperature of most of space is some 4 degrees above absolute zero, i.e., about 484 degrees of frost on our Fahrenheit scale. Away from the stars, there is unimaginable cold. Close to them is a temperature of thousands of degrees, at which all solids melt and all liquids boil. Q9. Why does it seem incredible to Jeans that the universe was designed primarily to produce life like our own? Answer. Jeans does not believe that the universe was designed to produce life like our own, because life does not exist in the vast distance on space, on the stars, and other heavenly bodies. So he regards that the universe was not designed to produce life like our own. Q10. Why is the origin of life still a riddle to the scientist? Answer. Science is silent. Answer how life came into being on Earth. Some scientists call it an accident, and some call it the product of simple organism, but they are confused, and thus the origin of life still a riddle to the scientists.